bring in at this time national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, I think that was a very smart question on cross about, hey, if you can't determine the speed, the force, then you can't determine how fast that person, i.e. the victim, was coming when he fell on the knife, which is basically the story of the defendant in this case.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, stab wounds are different than gun wounds, right? Gun wounds, you don't have this line of questioning. With stab wounds, obviously you have to go through the physics and the mechanics of a knife or a stab. And so I'm pretty sure the defense are going to be able to establish that there's nothing conclusive that shows whether or not these were defensive wounds or non-defensive wounds from the testimony of this examiner. And I don't think it's going to be possible when you have a stab wound to the heart, because at the end of the day, that passed through ribs, that passed through a lot. And so they're going to be able to come in and say, look, there's no way you can penetrate a rib cage by just simply walking up to somebody and just surprising them. There has to be some sort of an attack. They're going to put it in the jury's mind. They're going to create the specter of reasonable doubt as to whether or not she just acted nefariously without any type of prompting by the victim. And so I think this defense attorney, by the way, I've seen him cross-examine several witnesses here, the first responders. He does an excellent job. He's very efficient. So I'm very confident that when they come back from the lunch and he continues his cross-examination, I think he's going to leave that jury with a puddle of reasonable doubt in their mind.